you guys, welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon. I am here with this job, with this gig, and this side hustle. Maybe some of you guys would call it as a side hustle or a gig, or maybe do this full time. It's a company called Writers Work, and they are paying you to get paid to write. We're seeking writers of any skill level. And with this company, to get started, they have an overview here. We train, no experience necessary, live support, video training, courses, and more. Freelance writers can earn anywhere from $20 to $65 an hour based on skill level. Location remote freelance, like your own home. Hours part time, full time, you can do a contract positions are available. So they have three sets of availabilities for this company. And the types of writing jobs are general content, blogs, um, articles, copywriting, social media posts. Set your own hours so it has flexible hours and work from anywhere. So if you have any type of hobbies or anything like that, if you love to write, post, blog, they have the types of jobs right here. It says the descriptions to get started. Writers work connects anyone interested in writing with the companies that need them desperately. We have thousands of writing jobs available and all of the training, tools, and support you need to land the best writing jobs. Start a career as a freelance writer today. Set your own hours and work from home. Types of jobs available. General content. Websites need content and a lot of it. Write for some of the biggest brands and fill their helps sections, landing pages, and provide proofreading and editing services. And they also have blogging. I said it before over here. Blogging, you can be a blogger, write interesting blogs for brands all over the country, blog about the types that interest you. Copywriting, in order for companies to compete, they need to have top-notch sales copy. We train. So they train for you guys to copyright. If you want to go ahead and get hired on, be a freelancer, have flexible schedule, part-time or full-time positions and contract positions are available. And they can work anywhere, work from anywhere, and set your own hours. Now, the requirements for this job would be you must be 18 years of old, 18 years old or older. You need reliable internet connection, excellent customer service, and willing to do work for great pay. Once again, this pay is freelance. This pay is $20 to $65 per hour. Pay varies depending on the skill level. We train and provide the training you need to become one of the top earning writers on the web. And this, you have to click on this button to get started. They have three sets of get started now buttons. So if it seems like something that you would like to do, go ahead and get into this company called Writers Work. I will post the link down below for you to fill it out. That is it for this video, you guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, and click that like button for more content like this. If you guys prefer side gigs and side hustles, I will be able to give it to you guys. Paid surveys, perhaps. Let me know in the comments down below on any of my videos, and I will respond back. See you guys later. Have a great day.